So you bought a Bedezy, here it is. It's arrived at your place. Time to unpack it and see what's inside. So what we'll do, crack it open. Two major parts inside the box, all ready to go. Oh, there's a nice little welcome, how-to in here as well. You can see the instruction, how to put it together. If you'd like to share your experience with a friend, there's a little note to hand off to a mate and say, look, this is going to help make life a little easier. In the box, bladder, hose, and motor. Empty box. This is as simple as you can make it. It's air driven. In here is the pump. The pump connects to here with the hose, and then that connects to your bladder, which goes in between your mattress and your bed base. You fold this all out, make sure it's nice and straight. On one end is where you connect this hose to the bladder, and that goes to your air pump. Plug it into the wall, press the up and down button, and away you go. And that is Bedezy.